if I can ask you please to be upstanding.
What would you do if I got down on one knee and said, could you love me forever? And what would you say if I asked you, could you love me forever? Oh, what would you say? And what would you say? What would you say? What would you say? Oh, what would you say?
Dearly beloved, we have come together in the presence of God to witness and celebrate the marriage of William Adrian Leslie and Delise Marie, and to pray God's blessing upon them now and in the years ahead. Marriage is a gift of God, our Creator, whose intention is that husband and wife should be united in heart and body and mind. In their union, they fulfill their love for each other. Marriage is given to provide the stability necessary for family life, so that children may be cared for lovingly and grow to full maturity. Marriage is a way of life to be upheld and honored. No one should enter it lightly. It involves a serious and lifelong commitment to each other's good in a union of strength, sympathy, and deep love.